If you want to tell someone that the answer they have given is correct in Italian, you can use the phrase
Hai ragione. Hai ragione.
Let's take a quick look at how this phrase is formed. I is the second person singular form of the verb
Avere.
to have. It literally means you have. The pronoun
Tu
you can be omitted because the conjugation of the verb and the context are enough to identify the subject. Ragione actually means reason, motive, or explanation. For example,
non c'è ragione di preoccuparsi.
there's no reason to worry. When paired with avere, it assumes the meaning of right or correct.
Hai ragione, Parigi non è la capitale d'Italia.
You're right, Paris is not the capital of Italy. Adding extra emphasis to this phrase is easy. All you have to do is insert any one of the following adverbs.
Hai pienamente ragione.
Pienamente means fully, completely, or wholly.
Hai assolutamente ragione.
Assolutamente means absolutely.
Hai completamente ragione.
Completamente means completely.
Hai proprio ragione.
Proprio means exactly, truly, precisely. If you want to say, you might be right, or I guess you're right, you can use the indirect object pronoun, me, and the third person singular of the verb,
Sapere.
which is sa, to form the phrase,
Mi sa che hai ragione. Mi sa che hai ragione. Londra non è una città francese.
I guess you're right, London is not a French city,
Torto.
is the antonym of ragione in this case, and you can use it in the negative to say that someone might be right in the end.
Non hai tutti i torti. Sono un po' ignorante in geografia. Solo un po'?
You're not entirely wrong. I'm somewhat ignorant when it comes to geography. Only somewhat?
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.